Good morning, YouTube, Steam It, BitTube, Wake and Bake. I haven't done a video on my computer in a while since I think my Bitcoin charts or something. I don't know, that was the last chart video I did. And I kind of stopped doing charts after that because I felt like the Bitcoin chart that I did was good enough to lead us back to where we are today. So if you've checked out my chart and if you see what I've done on that chart and where I think we're going, we're still on that path. So I'm going to show you, okay? Let's get into it. First of all, it's weekend, it's Saturday morning. I got college football on. I'm going to be doing another video later today of my plants. I did a little bit of harvesting. I got some taken down. The rest of them are looking really, really good. So before we get into this, if you guys want, like, subscribe, share. This is good info. Why? Because it's going to get you rich. All you got to do is follow the charts and see where this thing's going. Man, it's going to be so big. If whoever did not see what Ripple did just a few days ago for about 3 days, oh, the money to be made in these markets are just, they're mind-blowing. They're mind-blowing. You guys need to get in. So let's take a look at Litecoin first, okay, before we get into Bitcoin. So let's zoom out. I'm going to try to make this a short video too. So if we zoom out, you can see that we have this pattern on Litecoin, right? Okay, hit the yellow, hit the uptrend, boom, skyrocket, hit the uptrend, boom, skyrocket. Okay, we fell, we broke out of this channel, we broke down. There's a big breakdown. Now look, we've smashed on this yellow uptrend again. And look what happened. We fell below it. But it's never been under there, so we know it doesn't want to be under there, okay? So what did Litecoin do? Oh, excuse me. Litecoin fell underneath the pattern and it came right back up very strong and it touched the top of it, okay? Right here on this downtrend, this triangle downtrend right here. Hold on. It goes all the way back to the all-time high of 417, okay? We came down, we came under, boom, broke under. It was big break. Well, not big, but it was a nice strong bounce, a long wick, boom, test it, failed. Get a strong one right there, and we came right back in it, okay? Now we're right in it. We're at the apex. We're in the apex for Litecoin. Let's zoom in. Okay? This is what we're looking at. Oh, sorry, that bowl just got my nose all sniffly. So, and you can see we got these Bollinger Bands, or I'm sorry, not the 4 EMAs. Sorry, 4 EMA. We got the 20-day, the 50-day, the 100-day, the 200-day. Okay. As you can see right now, we retested because we broke through the 200-day. Okay, and we came back down and we're sitting right on it. We created a very nice tweezer bottom right here. So we got a nice green candle and goal for that. So now we're going to be working through this apex and we're going to see an explosion as soon as this 20-day, as soon as this 20-day blue EMA crosses this red 200-day, we're going to see an explosion. Okay. Sorry. We're definitely going to see an explosion. And when the blue crosses the red, we'll have the green cross the yellow, and then the green will cross the red, and then the yellow will cross the red. This is going to be big, and I'll show you an example right here on Ripple. Okay, I'm going to zoom out on Ripple. Let's see what Ripple's done. I can tell you right now, I was not prepared for Ripple. I knew the potential and the possibilities of Ripple, or XRP, as they want to call it now. I still like the word Ripple. Yeah, I like the word Ripple. Ripple's literally making ripples across the world. So, yeah, we got this triangle pattern formed, and so we came down. We failed at this apex point, right? Fell hard. Okay, we went all the way down to 24 cents. Since then, we have a strong recovery. We came down here, double bottomed, right here, double bottom, okay? And we exploded. Millionaires were made in a 3-day period. You guys need to understand this. Millionaires were made in a 3-day period. Literally, if you put enough money into one of these coins, you can be a millionaire almost overnight. This is a very real possibility for any of you thinking that this is a scam, it's a Ponzi scheme, it's not real, you guys are the crazy ones. This is the future of money. This is the future of technology. This is the future of where humans are going. I don't care if you like the word crypto or not. Crypto is going to be in your life whether you like it or not. So why not get invested in the future of money, in the future of technology before it's mass adopted, before the mainstream really starts using it, before it's implemented fully into our system? Why would you want to work for this kind of stuff later? If you invest your money now at these prices of all this in crypto, just put your money in a promising project like XRP, like Tron, like Verge, like Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Ethereum, NEM, XLM. Put your money in something promising like that and just wait, because all it takes is 1 to 3 days. Ripple proved that. Ripple proved that. Ripple went from 26 cents all the way to 79 cents in 3 days. In 3 days. Okay, I'm going to show you on CoinStats. I'm going to show you on CoinStats what that means, okay? Obviously, the more money you put in, the more money you're going to make. And this happens, we've been in a bear market. This is the very beginning of coming out of that bear market. This is going to be huge. Anybody that doesn't want to be a part of this, anybody that doesn't want to make free money off your own money, you're out of your minds. Okay, so let's see. If I invest $5,000 into XRP right now, because, we're going to $1. We're going to $1. XRP is definitely going to $1. So your 5,000 just turned into 9,000. I know that's not a millionaire status, but had you bought at 26 cents, you'd be way better off now than buying at 55 cents today. It was just 25 cents. Let me show you Tron. Let me show you Tron real quick. Look at Tron. Look how similar. See this pattern right here? Let's see Ripple. Let's go to the 4-hour. Look how big this spike was. Look at this. Look at how massive this spike was. Bam! It just would not stop. Excuse me. And we're going to go again. Ripple is going to be launching again. You see this? It's springing up for action again. Okay, get ready. You guys stop. You don't have to slave away at the job that you don't like anymore if you just start in crypto. You guys would be your own banks. You're in control of your own money in crypto. This is for real. You guys need to stop playing around and thinking that this is all fantasy and shit. Man. This Ripple, what happened to Ripple proves exactly why y'all need to be in crypto. Because it's coming to other coins, just like Tron. Look at this pattern. You see this pattern on Ripple? Okay. This is a big version. Like, okay. Ripple, Tron. Ripple, Tron. Ripple, Tron. You see how it's very similar. Okay, look at this. Okay, now let's look at Verge. Okay, let's look at Verge. Let's go to the I'm already big time in the profit. I bought Verge like right here, somewhere in here. Waiting. I saw it, I knew it, and it took this dip. I was like, it's just a little scare dip. Guess what? It was a scare dip. Bam! And we're not done. Oh, we are not done. Okay. So, oh, sorry. Let me go to the 4 hour. We're going to match all these on the 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour charts. Okay. Now look. Here's Verge on a 4 hour. Okay. Actually, let me get rid of all this. This is Verge on a 4 hour. Let's go to Tron on a 4 hour. Tron. Verge. Tron. Verge. You guys see this, right? Like, you see how similar this is. Here, Tron has this right here. Tron has this upward movement here. Okay, watch. Here's Verge. It's smaller, but it's the same thing, okay? And then we have this kind of working area of consolidation. So we have that on Verge, okay? And then we go to Tron, and we fall down here, okay, right? Look at Verge. We had consolidation, we fall down here. And then Tron started working its way back up, and we had explosion. It's not really explosion, it's like a pre-explosion, because we're going mooning. Look at it, it follows each other. This is great. Like they're following each other. Like even Ripple, look at Ripple, okay? Ripple did the same thing. Look. Verge, Ripple. It's almost the same chart. Verge, Ripple. Verge, Ripple. What do you think's coming next in Verge? The only piece missing from the Verge chart compared to the Ripple chart is this massive spike. That's all that's missing, okay? It's coming. Verge, Ripple. Tron, Ripple, Verge. Here's Tron. Here's Ripple. Here's Tron. Here's Ripple. The only thing missing on the Tron chart is this huge spike. It's coming. All these charts look almost identical. Ripple led the way. Get ready. Get your bags filled. If you want to make money, you can literally make your year's worth of salary in 1 month or less. What are you guys doing? I've been packing my bags. I know some of my buddies been packing their bags real big. We don't want to be slaves anymore. Do you? You really want to work a 9 to 5 the rest of your life and count on your retirement? You are creating your own retirement this way. I don't know how much clearer I gotta be. This is like, all these coins are about to start exploding. Here, let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, here's my Bitcoin chart that I made a long time ago. Okay, let's go to the daily. First, actually, you know what? Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out so I can refresh all your memory. Here, this is Bitcoin. Y'all think Bitcoin is a scam? Bitcoin's a Ponzi scheme? Nah. Bitcoin is just a growing mother effer that won't stop growing. We are still, this is like the first or second inning. Think of it as a 9-inning baseball game. We're in the first or second inning. And we've grown this much. Where do you think Bitcoin's going to keep growing? you got, how much more do you need to like hear? You make me very frustrated. For my buddies and everything that are in, y'all, y'all gonna be rich. We're all gonna be rich, man. So, okay, Bitcoin, as you can see, we had this long downtrend here, right? Okay. I don't remember many people talking about that too much, like the last two falls. See, we had this up movement here, and then we had this fast, steep fall here, and everybody's freaking out. I was like, I told everybody, look, back here we had an inverse head and shoulders. This is a major reversal pattern, okay? So that just started the reversal. People are still like, whoa, we're going to $33,000, $4,000. Bitcoin's dead. Ethereum's dead. Those people are stupid. Not afraid to say it. First of all, miners in Bitcoin has to stay above 5,500. I don't know how many times I need to say it for people to understand that. Bitcoin's not going under 5,500 because it would not be profitable for Bitcoin miners to mine Bitcoin, and it would not work. Okay, so this pattern, signal of reversal. So we went up and we failed here, okay? And we dropped off and people freaking out. Okay, I said just chill. Look at what we're doing. We're consolidating right here. Very healthy consolidation. I don't care what people say. That's healthy consolidation. I got my crazy hair this morning, so I'm going to go crazy. This is a very healthy consolidation pattern. It is like a spring. The tighter it gets and the smaller compact it gets at the end of the apex in a growing coin, a growing market, anything, whatever you want to call it, it's growing. So this is a spring-loaded gun. It is going to shoot off once it gets too tight and compact at the end like it's doing now. I've been telling everybody that. Then I see YouTubers saying that it's not a spring. This is actually a sign of negative growth and we're going. No, this is not negative. This is not negative. Bitcoin is going to 10,000 very soon. I've been saying it. I thought we were going back here, but you know what? The overall pattern doesn't allow that because we had heavy resistance, so we fell. Now we're consolidating again. And if you zoom out, see, we went up here and we just fell hard. Everybody remembers that. People were really freaking out on that one. I was like, why are you all freaking out? This is just a steeper one than the last one. And the last one was like May 10th all the way to June 27th. That was a long downtrend and people weren't freaking out, but they freak out over these steep ones. It's like, what are you freaking out for? They're smaller, they're shorter, they don't last as long. Quit freaking out. So if we pull out here, we are creating a massive W reversal pattern. And I'm going to show you. Paintbrush. Let's go with pink. Okay. Here is the W. Boom, 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 boom. There's your W. Okay. Now let me show you something else. I feel like I gotta talk really dumb because I've shown everybody this at least a month ago. I don't even remember when I made that video. I told you we're creating a big W. It's a reversal pattern. Okay, here's another one. You want to see another one? We have a W within a W. That's double W. That's big. Boom, 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 boom. How do you like that? Now let's add one. Boom, boom. It's a W within a W. It's a double W. You guys, we're going way up here. How many times do I gotta keep telling you? Y'all want to keep going on Twitter and Instagram, whatever the fuck you're going on, and you want to keep fucking saying shit? Look at the overall pattern. The overall pattern tells you we are going to explode very soon. I'm ready. I'm ready to get rich. I'm ready to get my farm going. I'm ready to do a lot of things. You want to keep slaving away? Have at it. Not this guy. I'll make my own freaking money. Okay, so, like I said in my previous videos, we have this big channel, this green channel that started way down here. It's like a wave, it's like a current, like an ocean current for Bitcoin. Once it gets in it, it's like a suction zone, just makes it flow right up, okay? So we're in that. Almost. We're definitely working our way back in it. See, we fell to the bottom of it. We couldn't sustain it. We had a big drop out of it. Okay, but now we have this heavy line of support, and we're trying to push back into it. And we're going to. I'm going to show you, because on this 4 hour, we go to the 4 hour, look at what's happening right now. Look what's happening. The red, the 200-day, and the 20-day are about to cross. It's about to shoot up back into that channel. Once it gets into that channel, we're going to see the green and yellow cross, and we're going to see the green and red and the yellow and red eventually cross. And this is perfect timing. Perfect timing for the end of the W, because as these lines cross on the 4 EMAs, these are going to shoot up, and it's going to shoot Bitcoin all the way up to finish the W, which would be, bam, over $10,000 in the coming months. And people are going to see that, and FOMO is going to kick in. And guess what? The price is going to skyrocket. Yeah, I don't think the bear market is, I don't think we're completely out of it, because we need to break above about 73, 78 for confirmation that that W is going to be forming, okay? And we have to stay within these areas right here. So if we drop back down here, this is going to be, I mean, because we do have like this pattern right here that we could drop. I mean, it's very possible, okay? I do look at both sides, the optimistic side and the pessimist, the bad side. But the overall pattern shows a big mother effing W. Been saying that. Go back on my Bitcoin charts video. I tell you where we were going. It's following that path, almost to a T. So we got all this support down here. We don't want to be down here. Look at all this consolidation. This is a spring loading. It's going to shoot. Okay, let's check out Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. We got the 20 EMA coming up to the 200 EMA. It's going to pop. Ethereum is 240 right now. And we're creating an inverse head and shoulders. See, here's a shoulder. Let me show you. Here's a shoulder. Here's a head. Can we get another shoulder? And then, boom! That's what we're going to do. I've said it before, all YouTubers, that Bitcoin was coming to this point. All you were hating, Ethereum's dead, Bitcoin's going to 3,000. Nah, man. This is what I have to say to that. And while I'm holding these up, why don't you come at me and get some WinnerCoin? I've got WinnerCoin available. I've got my Ethereum available. I can now send WinnerCoin to anybody that wants WinnerCoin. You want 5,000 WinnerCoin? You want 10,000 WinnerCoin? Let's go. Subscribe to our YouTube. Subscribe to our BitTube. Subscribe or follow on Steemit. Any one of those, it doesn't matter. Just send me a comment or a message. Just let me know that you want WinnerCoin and I will send you WinnerCoin. Ethereum's going up. WinnerCoin is on Ethereum network. Do you know what that means? If Ethereum's going up, all these other coins on the Ethereum network are going up, and that includes WinnerCoin. And that means WinnerCoin can start at $1 like they said they would at the very beginning. Do you guys think crypto's a joke? You know it's a joke? The biggest joke in the world is you people not understanding or being told or given the proper education to know what crypto is. There's literally there's a few things that might be more important than crypto at this point in time. Just a few. Crypto is this big. Don't let the word crypto fool you. Crypto is going to change the world. Crypto can change your life. This is no joke. Ethereum is going to skyrocket. Look at this overall channel. Ethereum ain't dead. Ethereum is not dead. Not even close. Look at it. We smashed on the uptrend here. We exploded. We just smashed on the uptrend. We fell below it. And now we're coming back up into it. Oh, Ethereum is going to grow very, very big. Very, very big. We're going to see over $10,000 Ethereum easily by spring break. Easily. Okay? There's a possibility that we can see $140,000 Ethereum by July. You guys think this is a joke? You better get Ethereum now while it's at $240. This is joke pricing. This is dirt cheap. There's blood on the streets still. Even after these beautiful pumps the last few days, you guys are still in perfect position to make big money. That's all I have to say, man. I'm not going to go on any longer. You people are crazy for not getting in. It's insane. Like, literally. People think I'm crazy the way I talk about crypto and all that. Man, when you step back, it's kind of like stepping back and looking at the bigger picture. Like, look at. See, we can go close in. We can go as close as we want and try to figure out the problem, you know? Try to microscope zoom those problems and shit. We can't tell anything by this little bit of graph right here. I mean, a little bit, we can tell a little bit. But when you zoom out and look at the big picture is always better for long term, okay? Long-term big gains, you look at the big picture. Look at this. Here's the big picture. You guys ready? You guys ready? I know I am. Don't miss this opportunity, man. Do not miss this opportunity. Because you're not going to see a sub, I don't know, we might get back down to 15, 20, but Bitcoin right now is at 66.78 and we're about to explode. Get your crypto. God. Some of you might want to say, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just a stoner and things like that. I don't care. Because I'm going to be a millionaire and I'm going to be hiring people like you to work for me. And I'm going to sit there and just laugh for the rest of my life. Oh, I told you so. Sorry. Do what's best for you and your future. I know people don't like being told and what to do and whatnot. You know what? That's your mentality to be a loser. Some people, whether you think they're dumb or stoned or not or whatever, just because you don't like them or agree with some of the things they do, guess what? That one thing like crypto, that one thing will change your life, and this is it. Don't pass it up. Don't be a fool. Tron, about to go off. Ripple already went off. It ain't done. Stellar, it's going to go off. NEM, I can't wait to get my NEM. NEM is going to destroy this chart. Look at where we are. Look at this. Look how beautiful this pattern is. Repeat. Repeat. NEM ain't going to the moon. NEM is going to the edge of the solar system. You want to get rich? Put your money in NEM and just put $5,000 in NEM and wait until May, June, April, somewhere in springtime. Just wait. If you wait 2 years, you'll never have to worry about another thing in your life again. It's that simple. Stop being stupid. Peace out.